Playing Hollow Knight on keyboard. In today's video, you are going to learn how to optimize setup to play Hollow Knight on keyboard. So let's get started. First launch Hollow Knight and open its settings. Then navigate to controls to review the default key bindings. By default, move is in controlled by WD or arrow keys. Jump is on Z or space and attack is on X. Skills like dash and spell castings are mapped to C and A, but you can customize them if needed. To improve your gameplay, practice movement techniques like Pogo jumping, which involves down slashing enemies, or spikes to bounce higher and dashing to dodge attacks efficiently. Using a keyboard requires precise timing, so spend time in early areas, mastering jumps and attacks before taking on tougher enemies. And that's all. That's how you will be able to do it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.